Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. As you can tell by the title of this video, TikTok made me buy it, or try it. TikTok made me buy it, TikTok made me try it, whatever. Anyways, so I was watching a TikTok video the other day and this girl was trying out this mascara, and the second I seen it, I thought, oh my gosh, that looks absolutely amazing. I have to try it. I love makeup, but I especially love mascara. I have lots of different mascaras and I love trying different mascaras, and I'm very particular about my mascaras. Like, there's a lot I have tried, a lot I love, a lot I don't like because they just don't do anything for me, and there is so many amazing mascaras out there that are just outstanding products to me. So I seen this on TikTok. It looked like it worked really well, and I'm going to test it on video tonight. This is gonna be my first time, obviously. I just got it today, and let me tell you, this has been the hardest mascara to find. Every store I have went into for the past week or so, I have looked every time and it's nowhere to be found. And today we went to 3 different grocery stores, and finally by the third one I was like, you know what, let me just go look. I didn't have any luck at any of the other stores, so I said let me go look and see if they have it, and they did, and I'm so happy about it. I can't wait to try it. I hope it's good. Like, when this girl was using it, it just looked like it made her lashes look so long and gorgeous. So I'm gonna find out. So this is the Maybelline New York. I got the color Blackest Black. It says Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. Now, I've seen a lot of people comparing this to the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I think that's what it is. They've done like a side-by-side. But this one is called the Sky High. I literally could not find it anywhere. It's insane. But I found it at H-E-B, and then they had a $1.50 off coupon, so I was like, score. Anyway, this says Limitless Length, Full Volume. Yeah, well, that's all it says. Anyway, washable mascara. It is their first mascara made for full volume and authentic length. Custom flex brush grips and extends every lash. Formula with bamboo extract and fibers gives authentic impact. No clumping, smudging, or flaking. Up to 24-hour wear. Whatever. Anyway, I just got out of the shower. It's actually 11 o'clock at night. I got this a few hours ago. I hadn't showered when I was out grocery shopping. I had leftover mascara, so I didn't want to try it. Plus, I wanted to save it for the video. I don't put makeup on at night to go to bed. And I feel really stupid for doing this right now, but I couldn't wait any longer. I've waited too long to find this, so I'm not going to wait any longer to try it. If you hear any noises in the background, first of all, you are hearing my birds. Even though I cut the light off and shut the closet door and I was like, shh, I'm filming. But I can hear my birds, and then my husband is watching South Park. Sounds like he's on the phone now too. If you hear anything in the background, whatever, there's nothing I can do about it. Okay, are y'all ready for this? So I was thinking, oh my gosh, this packaging is so cute. So it's this blush, like mauve blush, kind of pink. It says Lash Sensational Sky High, but like the words on it are 3D. So I think what I'm gonna do is do one eye with primer and one eye without. I'm gonna go tell my husband something really quick, because if he is on the phone, I'm gonna tell him that this camera audio, it's gonna pick up everything he's saying. So if he's saying anything personal that he doesn't want the world to hear, he better hush hush. He is so funny because I just told him, I was like, can you turn that TV down a little? I'm going to film a video. I was like, I don't want like South Park to pick up in the background. I don't know what they're talking about on that show. They were talking about political stuff earlier in Corona, so I didn't know what the show was going to be saying. I don't want to try to hear nothing crazy. And then he gets on the phone. Anyway, all right, so this is the lash primer that I use. It is the L'Oreal voluminous. It's the white one. So one eye I'm gonna do a primer just to try it, and the other eye I'm just gonna do the mascara. I think I'm gonna zoom in, even though I don't really want to, because I mean look at me, my skin's looking a little rough. Anyway. All right, we're not gonna use that. I'm not using that 10 times zoom. Not happening. All right. So we're gonna do primer on this eye. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna be so disappointed if this mascara isn't amazing. It's been so long since I've done any kind of makeup related video. So I hope y'all like this. Nobody really watches my makeup related videos, so I stopped making them. All right, so we got one eye, has some primer on it. Okay. All right, so this is the brush. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and just start applying. Okay, I heard one of the girls that was trying this, they said that the brush was like flexible, like it moves as you're applying it. And yeah, I'm totally like, I can feel that happening as I'm brushing it on my lashes, and I don't know how I feel about that. It kind of makes me feel not secure, like I'm scared. You know what, I probably shouldn't even be doing a first impression. You want to know why? I'm never a fan. Well, I'm not gonna say never, because there is some exceptions to mascaras that I've tried, but I'm not always a fan of a fresh tube of mascara. Like, to get the best out of your mascara, sometimes you have to let it dry out a little bit. Like, I've had mascaras before that I tried one time and I was like, I don't like it. And then I put it in a drawer and like 3 months went by, and then I tried it again and I was like, wow, this is the most amazing mascara I've ever tried. But that's because it dried out a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna tell y'all right now. What is this? TikTok. Hold up. All right, let me try it with this primer, because I'm not appreciating it on this other eye right now. All right, primer's definitely making a difference. I'm gonna finish sweeping through this a little bit, and then I'm gonna show you what it's looking like. Y'all, what is this? What is going on? This isn't what the girl's lashes look like on the TikTok video. Oh, come on. All right, let's do this again. I'm gonna put on a couple more layers. I'm gonna put on 500 layers because I'm kind of disappointed right now. Oh my God, what is going on? This is not, Man, let me tell you what, I don't even know who this chick was. I should have saved the video. All I know is she put on her mascara and it was like, wow. This is not wow. I'm not wowed. Are you wowed? I am not wowed. Your girl ain't wowed. I'm really bummed. Okay, maybe it's just because it's fresh. Maybe it's just because it's a freshie. Maybe I need to let it dry out for 3 months and then I can try it again. I don't know. Okay, so I will say, this is what I'll say. As far as length goes, like, I have pretty good eyelashes when it comes to length, okay? They are kind of on the longer side, so I got, you know, I'm seeing the length, but it's not like, it's not wowing me. I'm not wowed. I'm not wowed. I'm not seeing any, like, really, really good thickness. Like, not even with the lash primer. And normally, the lash primer makes, like, a huge difference. You know what? I'm actually going to leave this like this for a few minutes because that will help dry it out, too. Let me fix my little mistakes here. I am disappointed with this Sky High Mascara. Limitless length and full volume. Anyway. I'm gonna let this set for a minute, let that dry out for a second, then I'm gonna go in with some more layers. really quick, I want to say this is the mascara I've been using for several months now. This is the Maybelline Fall Sheet. This is the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. This is pretty good. Anyway, have you dried out enough? Oh my gosh, I cannot believe how disappointed I am in this mascara. All right, we're gonna go in with a little bit more. I'm gonna layer it a little bit more. Remember, this is the eye with no lash primer. Can you see the disappointment in my eyes? Oh, man. I guess if I put like 500 layers, then yeah, it's gonna look amazing, but whatever. I've totally seen better lash days. Like this Falsies Lash Lift is like way better. Okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some on my bottom lashes. So this eye, I'm not gonna do no primer. And then on the other, I'm gonna do the primer. Have y'all tried this mascara? Have you seen the TikTok video? Tell me all your thoughts down below. I wanna know. It's like not even like that great on my bottom lashes. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna say this. This was a first impression video, and this is just straight up. Okay, but I'm not gonna give up on it. I'm gonna give it a chance, because I feel like it has potential, because it's not, in reality, it's not that bad. I feel like it has potential, but I feel like the only way it's gonna reach its true potential is when it's dried out, okay? This does look a little bit better on the bottom lashes. Like, you can see this looks a little better. This one doesn't look that great. If you've never tried a lash primer before, I highly suggest it, especially that one that I use. I think it's amazing. These do look a little better, but these top lashes, I'm just like, oh my gosh. I'm gonna try again. We're gonna keep adding. But see, I don't want to have to sit here and add that much just to like get the gorgeousness I'm going for. And you know what? You might even like look at this right now and say, oh my God, it looks great. But it's just not, I don't know. What if that girl had lash extensions? I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed. Like, I'm literally just tempted to go in with my lash lift. Look at that beautiful brush. This brush is good. I feel like just going in with this lash lift and showing these lashes who is boss. Okay. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This was my first impression of the Sky High Mascara. Cute packaging. I think I'm gonna let it dry out. I think maybe if I let it dry out, it just might be the mascara of my dreams. But for this stuff being so hard to find, and you know what, I even looked online, and I was gonna get it off of Amazon, but I was like, it's gonna take 3 weeks to get here, and I'm like, anybody got time for that, Amazon? This being so hard to find, because I thought, oh my God, I kept telling my husband, Alan, like, this stuff must be so good because you can't find it anywhere. It must just sell out like crazy because it's so good. Wrong. I mean, you know what? It's all right. It's all right. But I think it's going to get better when it dries out. I think it needs to dry out and then it's going to be okay. I think. I don't know. Yeah, so for real, have you heard of this Sky High Mascara? And have you tried it? And do you like it? Do you think it's amazing? Cause I'm mad at it tonight. I'm just disappointed. It's just not what I thought it was gonna be. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it wasn't annoying. Sorry for wasting your time. I'll see y'all next time though. What do you think of my lashes? Do you think maybe I was born with it, or maybe it was Maybelline? Huh? Hey, you have to look at my lashes. You're not even looking at them.